Namaste everybody and a good morning from me to you. Since yesterday, out of love and concern, all of you lovely people have been asking me, hey Dr. Priya, what happened to you? Why is your foot in a bandage? Why are you in a hospital? So I decided, why don't I do a video to explain what happened to me as a patient, then as a doctor, and what you can do to help yourself. So here we go. It was a busy day and I had to reach my clinic. So I decided to wear my shoes. I removed my house slippers in the house and stepped out of the door to wear my shoes. And bang! My foot landed on a glass piece. Now, how did the glass piece come there? Well, I have no clue. Hence, I call this a freak accident, and it can happen with anybody, anywhere, anytime. Now, I had to reach the clinic as I said, so I came home. It was very painful. With due precaution and disinfecting the part, I gently pulled out the piece of glass. I checked around, I tried to check inside. Okay, things seemed fine. And so I bandaged the wound with all the antiseptics and off I went to my clinic. Fast forward few weeks down the line, that is in this week, I started getting a throbbing pain. That's when I thought, oh my God, the glass piece has not all come out. Something is still inside. So off I rushed to my orthopedic surgeon, a great, lovely surgeon called Dr. Gaurison. Now, why did I go to an orthopedic surgeon? Because if you guys remember, this is the same foot which had surgery last year. And our foot might look very simple, but it is a complex structure of tiny bones, ligaments, muscles, and fascia. So we cannot mess around with this because on the foot stands our entire body, especially the knees, which start creaking with certain age and certain time. So I went to my surgeon. He said, look here, there are two things we can do. First and foremost, let us check with an MRI. So we checked with the MRI and true enough, there was something inside. So he said, okay, we have a minor surgery to be done. And therefore, yesterday was the day of the minor surgery. And I was blessed to have a lovely anesthetist, Dr. Uma Iyer, with me. She gave me a nerve block. Nerve block in the ankle prevented my foot from moving so that the surgeon could clearly remove everything from inside. And then he gave me a local block before he incised, that is, opened up the wound, and she put me to sleep, sedation. Off I went to sleep. When I woke up, my foot was in a bandage. And I had to keep it in bandage now for few days. And probably will have to take care of this foot till it heals, which is going to take 3 weeks. Now, as a holistic homeopath, what can I do to help myself heal faster and better? So here's what I'm going to do and have already started. First 3 days, I will take Arnica 30. Next 3 days, I'll take Staphylos aureus 30. And the following 3 days, I'll take Hypericum 30. And before you know, I'll be up and about and running as before. So there are many things we can do holistically to help ourselves. But what has this freak accident taught me or can teach you? There are 3 things we have to remember. We have to remember when is our scope and what is our limitation. So a proper diagnosis is the most important thing. Then we have to decide who is the best doctor to go to. The choice of the doctor is very important. Last and not the least, we have to take a holistic approach to our healing so that we heal faster, we heal better. And above all, we have to keep a positive attitude, because if we are positive here, we are positive in everything that happens to us, and that definitely helps us heal better. So don't worry, I'm doing fine with all your love and prayers and the blessings of Bhagwan, and also the efforts of my lovely Dr. Gaurison, Dr. Uma, and the nursing assistant Dr. Rao who was with me. So yes, Thank you, everybody. And this is exactly what we are teaching you in our courses. So if you're interested, go and check it in our website. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you all, dear people, for your great and good wishes. Love you.